nyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biashara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ritko rya Jumatatu chitariki 15 mutinyo gatatu mwaka bwekiri bubere 2025 mwanje murigerera wairire buya anonsi aso tubatu tukorwa karibu sana SMS Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ngomanyama yakorwa ase Chinsa mo ime na isko yorogongorwa gusinche Catherine Nyaboga Wilson makori korwa somo na bibimanyerero karansoike obena intwe weka omwayo na togo chaka bunenchera yamo yogo kinya na boigo gosira chisemi me county ya Nyamira mugavana we county yo moske Amos Nyaribo nigo alireira usenigara cheko chakya murobero boko ina nairongore gocha saboro kiwa bebirasi bya ECD gokwana asomoyega boko chengera chisemi ogokorekana ase county ya Nyamira kiro mwaka moske Nyaribo nigarireira na goteba nigara cheko bekomokya erekona kya buna chisemi me county ya Nyamira ngosirirwa chire na boigo kini wachire.
We have increased the funding for TVETs and the county polytechnics. For the first time, from second term of this month, of next month, which is May, the government has provided some money to produce and supply a cup of uchi, fortified uchi, to our ECD students. We realized that most families do not have enough food to feed their kids in terms of nutritional balance. We have taken that step to feed all our 30,000 students with a cup of 45.
Na mwancho murigereria tutigarite ase county ya Nyamira ritkuria rero nigo mwakirishi wabasubati me county ya Nyamira mosko musubati jerusha momanyi achake moroberio bokoena na macho so abu achake moroberio bwa mache ase kenyoro kiaria nyayemo ewodi ya esise bunge ya burabu county eyo ya Nyamira chinga kechecho nigo boigo cherusha abu atoka ema kochase ekiombe kiabangina kiaria ria nyayemo lowa na boigo bwatoka bokonyi kocha ase timu yabasai ensemeyo okwana ase moyogoyo jerusha nigagikeire okomusanana okwabere gokwenekwa ase county osase county ya Nyamira na goteba nigo aganira botorero rukwenekwa bunenchira yamo yokoreta amagendro ase county ya Nyamira.
Nigo na ichaiga ase sise ward ria Nyayemo community ya ria Nyayemo ne amone school ya ria Nyayemo yabeire gekondigia asa matuko amagega ase ngenjo babwato bokongu ase school yabo amacha stagnatio amacha ichire getino na abana batari konyara gosoka isiko bakore michezo taga mbanga maoni abana barabumba bwato bokongu bono kungusana no kotoroche kogendereta ase county nkori ogwoko gokia so maene abantu baitu babere bagukura kerensemo intutweka abanyene ntwaje tugaikaransa na ba MC tugaikaransa na gavana bagatuhakikishira ngo bwatana bare bagenderere gazi tugatebyo mugavana atigane no konya kurwania county assembly atige county assembly yebange ekiagerero nigere independent lakini goikera iga bono aba MC kara tokonyora maoni kuruesi bare county eri ya sambaratisirwe yabekirwe eri gatatu assembly barorora babwate chibunga isatu chibunga isatu nchinyare gokonyo mwana inchi mbanyare kukwana igoro ya mangana y'abantu elinde banyare gokonyo mwana inchi so mimi nasema kama mama county hiyo sio kitu mzuri omugako olio gavana tunapenda yeye ni ntutu amwakirite chikura tukamubeka gari lakini ese yaikirire yarorekanire ngemerimo ya musinyira anyage koendera kumusinya bono guchimuina igonko nyoro turasare nene emyaka yetigarite ebire ne nusu still na asara twarorire kurmayaga na asara still ntoendera korora asara lakini twara komosorora bono iga tikabanje bairana ne baikaransamo county area itagenda mutwe kiagera na magendera tutagite yabantu inje ninde tayari kama mama county 2027 ninde tayari gocha kaboro kimne meremo yare gokoru kurmagega ekiagera sabangina bairwe meremo bakorire meremo buja igo mama county nje cherusha momanyi
na Isaac Mtuma nero mugavana muyawe county area ya Meru goikirari tukerigari arero eyemage ya Mutuma goseri tukuri arero nigo Mutuma abakagotiani wa bene buna umugavana okane we county area ya Meru magega yoyo kabere umugavana yiwe county yo moske musubati kawira mwangaza korusi wabisi wetera umurobiro o impeachment abarai a cross county yo nigo baikirana ase omoyego yo bogotiani kwa Isaac buna umugavana we county yo egati yavo kireitu murungi yo kabeiro mugavana we county yo nabo igo moseneto mukoro omoske mitika linturi
Honorable Isaac Mutuman to India. Do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Meru County. And that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, ill will. So help me God. Today is a solemn day and significant moment for our beloved county. I stand before you humbled and deeply honored to be entrusted with the responsibility of leading Meru County as your governor. I am overwhelmed by your love, support, and enthusiasm. Your presence here and the celebrations that broke out in all parts of the county are a clear indication of the confidence you have had and have in me. I promise not to let you down. As your new governor, my first and most urgent task is to restore the peace and cohesion that is the bedrock of progress. I will reach out to all leaders. Together, we shall forge a united front for the betterment of Meru. We must come together, not as factions, but as one Meru, one people. Together, we will restore the glory of Meru. To keep this unity burning.
Na togotigana nayo ritukoria rero gusema mbia rero nigo umuski Ikomi adesina abekirwa egutwa buna umuraya monene bwebengi area African Development moyego yo nigo korekana ase nyomba yoburaya State House omoche o Nairobi kokwana ekero ara omoyego yo morai wensi ya Kenya umuski Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo atogyo umuski adesina na kumoboria insi burai bwaya ase bengi yo bagendere gusira ensi ya Kenya ase boyego adesina nera airega team robero
Kenya participated, Mr. President, under you in the Mission 300 launched by the African Development Bank and the World Bank to connect 300 million people to electricity by 2030. Kenya is definitely on course to achieving 100% access to electricity by 2030. Ni naamini tutatobwa. The bank also financed the 105 megawatts Menengai geothermal power plant for the advancing Kenya's leadership in geothermal development in Africa. For power transmission, the bank provided $106 million for the recently completed Ethiopia-Kenya electricity highway project. The bank co-financed the $175 million expansion of the Thika-Nairobi road, expanding it into a 6- and 8-lane highway. This has drastically reduced travel time from 2 to 3 hours to just 30 to 45 minutes. The Development Bank is providing $309 million for ongoing projects targeting skills development for the youth. This includes the support for technical and vocational education that has already benefited 88,000 young people in Kenya.
So I am very proud that the journey we started together 10 years ago, today I can see its fruits, and the people of Kenya can feel the impact of what that is doing. I'm very happy that you will be supporting us with $300 million. We're working with the young people of our nation so that we create jobs on the digital platform, we create jobs in our housing program, we create jobs in our export of labor space, we create jobs in different other aspects in our agro.
Na togos kabosio ni gomonachi omonachi bina wekegambere kenene ya Supreme Court Justice Isaac Lenaura amochiro bwamate obagendete kwenekiwa igatie chikanisa na boigo abana siasa imeyense ya Kenya korengana na Lenaura ni go kungusana na ko bwenete kwenekiwa igatie chinseme chibere na lirabe aororo chikanisa kokora oseboyo kugayano okongusanana kwa banasiasa na boigo abakenya Lenaura ni gaririko ya kwana yegase gikaro na abakiwa be University ya Embu.
Well, when you go to church, and I stopped going a while back, when you go to church, all they speak about is how to make money. Churches are not hedge funds. They are not banks. They are not investment funds. So this nonsense where you go to church and half the preaching is about toa ndugu toa dada, and by these days what they do are Anglican. And these days I noticed that in fact the offertory is taken quickly before people run away from church. So even before, so normally you are preached for, then when the spirit is in you, then you give the offertory. But these days offertory is the spirit. So that is one. Let churches do what they are meant to do. Politicians also have a role to play, and they must play their role within the constitution. But if the unholy alliance is created between these two, the country cannot move forward. For example, if politicians fight, is it not the church that's supposed to come and bring peace? Today they can't, because they are sleeping with one or the other. And so if you bring the church to mediate between two warring politicians, the one will say, lakini siwe ni wa huko, na hiyo tosi nawe pia si wa huko. So the church must remain away from politics. The church must stay away, so it becomes the salt of the earth. And those are my personal views. It's got nothing to do with the Supreme Court, of course. Nyamonge, judicial independence. Judicial independence is said to be in two instances. Dr. Ngige, you raised something about critiquing judgments of the Supreme Court. When I spoke at a lecture like this one, I also said it is not enough, for example, for some of our friends to write on one line of Twitter or 3 lines.
Na abagotwa korwa county ya Homa Bay nigo balire eira yogocha korwa bosemi gocha sabasae burenjera yamo yokubatorya korwa asobotumukyo bobe bwa mariyo yogotinda nabo igo kubatorya korwa ase kisegi chegenga.
People are committing suicide. People are very hostile. People are killing, even boyfriends are killing their girlfriends, and it is horrible. We carry activities of counseling, and especially in our church we have categories. We divide the children from the ones in the womb. While they are still just fetus, we train their mothers to train them.
We're trying to teach the young people to avoid such, to avoid this drug, to avoid what we know is breaking, it's making them break their life. We are trying to advise them not to, as a church. We do that. We call them, we teach them. We sometimes call even the parents. We teach them together with their parents so that this situation should not continue.
Told them.
Mwansho murigerere nigo cha utokire tutage kando chegege 14 igore Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragoba na rayo na kwariganirite koro SMS Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenge korende Chinsa ibere na wego Chinsa inye chobotko bwarera no chiko yanyora ayomona yanda mange asenchira yo boikira no yo mto Clinton ondige nchenga treni Nyaboga Wilson makoro koro asensemo yo mono ho bimanyererio Kevin Ongeri na rogenda tokone kebona chibichechiga na Mario ingo ikira chiri asenchira yo boikira no gendra gutwara burigerere burobya asemero buri Getembe TV kubota tumurane ritkoria angyo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubotoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya segeka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iri gatigati wekari guri iri abantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyo muchurigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Say your last prayer, Edna. Are you crazy? You slapped me and I will slap you again. Now listen to me. I'll shoot. Drop your weapon.
Get Zuku Satellite Today full kit at Kenya shillings 2,000.
Enyorere Zuku Satellite rero. Eyuwate signet wati scratch. Gura decoder amone dish asachi shilingi chiri wibere chimi kenda na mirongo kenda na kenda chuka. Usena buku gura decoder yuka asachi shilingi elwe yemo chimi kenda na mirongo kenda na kenda. Wigo nabo okwego kene package ya busa umutinyo yomo, yani free premium package. Asamange nabo kutalira eduka ya sungusia electronics Chinsa mochake birigo kuse Mark Ovale Skymax Supermarket imeyomochulia Nyamira. Wigo nabo kutalira Geosol imeyama Simba Plaza na Wigo Aleno eyuirangi na daraja imeyomochuwa Songo. Asamange ake simigwetera search number 0205200025 gose 0703010000. Zuku, life got better.
Sha Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer. Bono iga asachi tile au no kugora. Chikaton emeronge tato nigo kwa growth kilo isato bosa. Kukura chikaton meronge tato nigo kwa kilo isano na isato bosa. Kukura chikaton emerongo etano ne tato nigo kwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende. Size endeonse. Niko okoegwa eye asichi brando bego chinde chonspe. Chi wall tile, kitairi chance. Nabo igo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60. Samange ba kresimese number 0703943972. Ajirago cha aseduka yabere Kansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisii opposite Mucha Place.
HK